Hey guys, if you have a printer similar to this HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E, and when making copies you have marks, dots, lines, and things like that on the copies themselves, but originals look fine, this is the place to look, definitely on this glass. So if you're using the document feeder and you have lines going up and down the page, you definitely want to check this area right here. It's usually enough for just one piece of dust to be right in the middle of the scanner path, and it'll make a line. So clean this area. Sometimes there could be ink, whiteout, or something from the originals that could have stayed here. And not always it's easy to see. Sometimes you need to look at an angle to see it and maybe put some light, but usually you'll be able to find it and be able to clean it up. Whiteout comes off very well with an alcohol swab or just alcohol on paper towel or cloth, and just wipe it down, clean it up real good. Do not spray any liquid on top of here or on this glass, because if it gets into the edges in here, it's going to find its way inside of this enclosed area, and that'll make problems for you. So if you have dots and other kind of marks on pages that you're trying to copy off here, then you also would need to clean this area, look for any marks that are there, or it could be just pieces of dust, honestly. If this side, the white side, has marks and stuff like that, that's no big deal, even though it's a good idea to also clean it. But keep in mind your original is face down on the glass, so it's only reading off the page. So whatever's on the glass is what you should be worried about. But I definitely would keep everything here clean. So use cloth, lint-free cloth with some Windex or alcohol swab. It removes any like Sharpie marks or marker writings on here or whatever, and it does it very well. So check that out, and hopefully this helps. If it does, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.